Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video I'm gonna share with you how you can get paid to be a social media influencer. Now there's all kinds of videos out there about this and how to get started and how you can make this and that, but there's one way that I really haven't heard people talking about and that you can actually start doing today. All right, now there is a website out there called Backstage, not to be confused with Backpage. All right, that used to be around years ago and it was kind of a little controversial. No, Backstage. This is where aspiring actors and musicians and directors and writers go and they try to look for work. All right? When you sign up to this site, all you need to do is create a profile, say if you're you're an actor or whatever, and you can actually get you can actually see all the gigs listed. All right, and you can actually do a search for social media. So when you do a search for social media, all of these job opportunities will come up, and a lot of these companies are looking for social media influencers, right? They're looking for people to be in their TikTok videos or Instagram, YouTube, you name it. These are actually paying gigs. Now some of them aren't paid gigs, but they'll give you like a lot of exposure, right? It'll be good to build up your catalog, right, to help you get other paying jobs, right? But you can actually work with these companies, and some of them could hire you to be like full-time or long-term jobs working for their in their social media, to be their social media influencer. So this is opportunity that you can literally, once you sign up with Backstage, I'll put a link below, you can check it out for yourself. I think they have like a free trial or something like that. I think you can use it for free, I'm not sure, but just look at the link. So once you get your profile set up, you go in, you find gigs that you want to do, and all you need to do is click on it, and then you write a short description on why you think you'll be good for that gig, for that role or whatever. And you can really just put your social media links, like if you got a TikTok or a Facebook account or a YouTube channel, you can send that all to them, and that can actually be in your profile, and that will help them determine if you're what they're looking for. All right, so this can be a great way to start making money as a social media influencer. Not to mention you still could be doing your own thing, but this is a way that I don't hear that many people talking about when it comes to becoming a social media influencer. Now granted, if you were to do it on your own, you probably could make a lot more money. You might want to check out Backstage. All right, now if you're watching this video, you probably are looking for easy ways to make some extra cash, and if you want a super easy way to do it, you want to watch this video right here, right now.